Minasan, konnichiwa. Watashi wa Cesar desu. What I have done is to introduce and to greet you in Japanese language. Today, I want to share with you a little bit of what I have learned as a Japanese language student. This sentence that I pronounce contains three different writing systems, three writing forms, and two different writing systems. Let's say the first writing system. The first one is kanji. Kanji are kind of drawings which represent concepts and ideas such as mountain, water, to swim, to eat, to drink, and so forth. How I said in my introduction, I use one kanji in this sentence. The enclosure character is kanji. It means I. It's a Japanese word which has a kanji form. The second is not an alphabet. It's a syllabary. It represents sounds. It's a completely different kanji. Kanji represents ideas and concepts. Hiragana is a syllabary which represents sounds. As we can see, we have the 5 common vowels, a, I, u, e, o. But we can see in the chart that the sound C, T, tu, who does not exist. See, we changes for she, chi, tsu, and fu. This happens because the Japanese language does not contain the sound C, T, tu, and hu, and the sound L is not contained originally in the Japanese language. Hiragana is used to write Japanese words which has no kanji form. We can use it also for writing adjectives and verbs, inflections, and prepositions. In this sentence, again, this is my introduction. We can see the first word, which is the last one, which means hello, and the second one, the second character, which is a preposition used in the introduction. Let's see the third Japanese writing form is katakana. Katakana is another syllabary. It contains the same sounds as hiragana. Hiragana does. Also happen the same with the sounds T, C, tu, and hu. We change it for she, tu, and fu. Katakana is used exclusively for writing non-Japanese words. It means nationalities, foreign names, and marks. As we can see in the image, we have go America. America is not a word, Japanese word. That's why it's written in katakana. And the second one is 7-11, which is a mark. That's why it's written with katakana. Returning again to my introduction, I use katakana for writing my name, Cesar. As we have seen, Japanese contains 3 different writing forms and 2 different writing systems. One which represents ideas and the other one which represents sounds. Those are used in Japanese common day life. We can find it in commercials, in newspapers, and in school reports.